Can the food you eat every day hold the key to preventing cancer? According to Dr. Dinesh Singh, chairman of radiation oncology at Andromeda Cancer Hospital, there are many factors associated with cancer formation, but diet is a very important one. By understanding the difference between healthy and unhealthy foods, you can make better choices to reduce the risk. Money Control's recent article builds on this critical insight, exploring an oncologist-approved diet plan to lower cancer risk. Here's what you need to know. One of the best places to start your cancer prevention journey is with foods to add in your diet that are rich in nutrients and antioxidants. These foods act as the body's allies, neutralizing harmful substances and supporting cellular health. First, let's start with leafy green vegetables. Imagine a plate brimming with vibrant greens like spinach, kale, and mustard greens. These are more than just salad ingredients. They're powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Leafy greens are crucial for cancer prevention due to their high levels of antioxidants. Rich in compounds like carotenoids and flavonoids, these greens help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which are two significant factors in cancer development. Including seasonal greens in your meals provides essential compounds that help neutralize cancer-causing agents and boost immunity. Next, let's talk about tomatoes. Tomatoes, with their rich red hue, owe their color to lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Studies show that lycopene can also protect against lung, stomach, and breast cancers. Whether you enjoy them fresh, roasted, or in sauces, their benefits are undeniable. Cooking tomatoes enhances the bioavailability of lycopene, making dishes like tomato soups and sauces even healthier. Regular consumption of tomatoes can be a delicious and easy way to enhance your cancer-fighting diet while supporting heart and skin health. Now, moving on to berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants. These nutrients combat inflammation, a key factor in cancer development. Additionally, they are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, and phytochemicals like ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which help prevent DNA damage. Adding a handful of berries to your morning cereal or as a snack can make a big difference in your overall health. Research also highlights their potential to slow the growth of cancer cells and reduce oxidative stress. Next up are cruciferous vegetables. Think of the robust flavors of broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage with remarkable benefits. These veggies contain sulforaphane, a compound with powerful anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that sulforaphane may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote the detoxification of harmful chemicals in the body. Incorporating these veggies into your meals helps protect against various types of cancer, including breast and colorectal cancers. Their versatility makes them easy to include in stir-fries, soups, or salads, and steaming them lightly retains their beneficial compounds. Let's now shift to coarse grains. From vegetables to grains, whole grains like millets, coarse wheat flour, and unpolished rice are staples in many traditional diets. Millets, whole wheat flour, and unrefined rice are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that contribute to lowering the risk of cancer. These grains support a healthy digestive system and promote a balanced gut microbiome, both critical for cancer prevention. Additionally, their slow-digesting properties help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of obesity, which is another cancer risk factor. Now let's explore legumes. Legumes, whether cooked or sprouted, offer a wealth of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Lentils, chickpeas, and beans support a healthy gut and lower cancer risk. Rich in folate, iron, and polyphenols, legumes also help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in cells. Their versatility in soups, salads, and main dishes makes them a must-have in your diet. Studies show that diets high in legumes are associated with lower rates of colorectal and stomach cancers. Finally, let's not forget nuts and seeds. Nuts like walnuts and almonds, along with seeds such as flax seeds and chia seeds, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Walnuts, for example, contain ellagic acid and urolithins that have anti-cancer properties. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which may protect against hormone-related cancers like breast cancer. They not only support heart health, but also reduce cancer risk. Sprinkling them on your meals or enjoying them as snacks is a simple way to boost your intake of these nutrient-dense foods. Including a variety of nuts and seeds ensures a broad spectrum of health benefits. While some foods nourish and protect, others can increase cancer risk. Being mindful of these harmful items is just as important as including the right ones. Let's now move to the first food, which is processed meats. Meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs might be tempting, but they're loaded with preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. These compounds can turn into carcinogenic substances in the body, strongly linking processed meats to colorectal cancer. Additionally, processed meats often contain high amounts of sodium and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to heart disease and other chronic conditions. Avoiding processed meats or choosing minimally processed alternatives can make a significant difference in reducing health risks. Next one is red meat. Red meat, when consumed excessively, especially when grilled or charred, increases the risk of colon and stomach cancers. The heme iron content in red meat and potential carcinogenic compounds formed during high heat cooking pose significant health risks. Experts suggest limiting red meat intake to no more than 3 servings per week and choosing lean cuts. Incorporating more plant-based proteins like lentils and beans can further help in maintaining a healthy diet while reducing cancer risk. Now, let's consider sugary drinks and refined sugars. Drinks like sodas and sweetened teas can lead to obesity, a significant risk factor for cancers such as breast, colon, and pancreatic cancers. These beverages also contribute to insulin resistance and chronic inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer development. Replacing sugary drinks with water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit juices can be a healthier alternative that supports health. Moving on to alcohol, let's understand its risks. Alcohol consumption is strongly linked to several cancers, including those of the liver, breast, esophagus, and mouth. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, there is no safe level of alcohol consumption. Alcohol can damage DNA and interfere with the body's ability to repair cells, further increasing cancer risk. Completely avoiding alcohol or significantly reducing its intake can greatly enhance your long-term health. Next up is fried and processed foods. Fried foods often contain acrylamide, a compound associated with ovarian and breast cancers. Processed foods, on the other hand, are typically high in unhealthy fats, artificial additives, and salt, all of which contribute to inflammation and other risk factors. Opting for home-cooked meals with fresh ingredients is a simple and effective way to avoid the harmful compounds found in processed and fried foods. Let's now look at refined grains. White bread, pastries, and white rice have a high glycemic index, causing blood sugar spikes and contributing to obesity. These refined grains lack the fiber and nutrients found in their whole grain counterparts. Choosing whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice instead can stabilize blood sugar levels and significantly lower cancer risk. Finally, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. Though the link between artificial sweeteners and cancer remains debated. Some studies suggest that certain artificial sweeteners could impact gut health or potentially cause other health concerns when consumed in large quantities. Opting for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia, or gradually reducing your overall sweetness preference, can be healthier choices for a sustainable lifestyle. Here are some additional lifestyle tips for cancer prevention. 1. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for cancer prevention. Obesity is linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including breast, colon, and liver cancer. A well-balanced diet, combined with regular physical activity, can help control weight and reduce the likelihood of developing these types of cancer, offering long-term health benefits. 2. Limiting salt intake is another important factor. Consuming too much salt has been associated with an increased risk of stomach cancer, as it can irritate the stomach lining. Reducing processed and salty foods in your diet, such as chips and canned soups, can significantly lower your risk of stomach-related health issues and cancer development. 3. Choosing local and seasonal foods offers numerous health benefits. These foods are often fresher and more nutrient-dense, supporting your body's nutritional needs. Additionally, seasonal foods are grown with fewer chemicals and fertilizers, which can enhance the overall quality of your diet. Supporting local farming practices also promotes environmental sustainability, making it a win-win for both health and the planet. To wrap up, cancer prevention starts with the choices you make every day in your kitchen. By focusing on a balanced, nutrient-dense diet, rich in antioxidants, fiber, and cancer-fighting foods, you're taking crucial steps to lower your risk. With the right approach, you can empower yourself with the knowledge and tools to make healthier choices and support your long-term well-being. Keep in mind, Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and reduce cancer risk, so make each one count. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.